The Indian Air Force had sought financial quotes from both Airbus and Boeing to lease mid-air refuellers, and according to latest media reports, the Airbus A330 has emerged as the frontrunner for the Indian Air Force's plan to lease 6 mid-air refuellers, and officials have said that the Air Force is looking to lease them for a 10-year period, and it would be the second major lease of a defense system by the Indian Armed Forces after the 2 Sea Guardian drones from the US. The Airbus lease offer comes through a British company Air Tanker, which has also leased refuellers to the Royal Air Force of the UK. Israel's Rafale Advanced Defense Systems has unveiled a new variant of the Spice system at the ongoing Aero India 2021, and the company has offered the new Spice-250 extended range air-to-ground standoff system to the Indian Air Force. It will feature a miniature turbojet engine, and will have an extended range of 150 kilometers, while retaining the same mission planning system, aircraft interfaces and aircrew operation. The DRDO has displayed the limited series produced Tejas-SP3 at the Aero India 2021, and officials have said that the Electronics and Radar Development Establishment has integrated the Tejas-SP3 with the DRDO-developed AESA radar system, and it will be tested along with the indigenously developed electronic warfare systems. The LSP-3 has already conducted full-scale high-angle of attack tests and the 8.5G maneuvering capability test, and it will be used as a test bed for the upcoming Tejas Mark 1A fighters. Bharat Electronics Limited has manufactured and delivered transmit-receive modules for the RBE-2 AESA radar system to the Thales Group, which is being executed as part of the company's offsets commitments under the 36 Rafale fighter jets contract. The RBE-2 is a very high-performing radar designed for the Rafale fighter, and it brings extended range capabilities that support slow observable target detection, allows full use of new air-to-air systems, has improved resistance to jamming, and features reduced maintenance costs. India's Crown Group has announced that it has entered into a strategic partnership with Russia's MiG Corporation for providing post-warranty support to the Indian Navy's single-seat MiG-29K and dual-seat MiG-29K fighter jets. The Crown Group has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Russia's United Shipbuilding Corporation for maintenance and servicing of Indian naval ships. On the sidelines of the Aero India 2021, the head of the US delegation to India, Don Heflin, has said that the Biden administration has urged India to refrain from military transactions with Russia, as there is no blanket waiver under its CAATSA sanctions for the purchase of S-400 air defense systems from Russia, which is also the first comment by the Biden administration on the Indo-Russian deal, and this also comes at a time when India is all set to receive the first unit of S-400 systems in September.